Every big story starts small. For AC Works, that story began in 2015 with one mission: to provide safe, reliable power solutions for every need. Founder Tony Chen and his wife sold their family home to fund the launch. With just 31 products and a 1,155 square foot space, Tony packed every order by hand, using his washer and dryer as work tables, and even chased down UPS trucks to guarantee same-day shipping. From those humble beginnings, AC Works grew fast. By 2017, we partnered with the Home Depot, expanding our catalog and officially launched acworks.com. Year after year, our product line and space grew from 2,000 square feet to 7,500 to over 17,000 square feet today. Now, with nearly 700 SKUs, our power solutions serve industries across residential, industrial, RV, marine, generator, EV, and even hospital-grade power cords and adapters. Innovation and safety drive everything we do. With patented designs, UL and CSA certified products, and over 98% of orders shipping within 24 hours, AC Works has earned the trust of customers across North America and Canada. From a modest garage to a nationwide brand, AC Works is proof that persistence, innovation, and putting customers first can make the American dream a reality.